All right, so we're working on another practice activity for lesson 12 or for lesson 22, complex sprite movements. So again, another pretty simple thing. We're going to affect the velocity for the y axis of this balloon, and we'll just kind of read through this. It says, in this animation, a balloon falls to the ground. Let's change it so the balloon slows down before reaching the ground and then reverses direction to float away, similar to the image to the right. So because of, if we look at the grid here, X and Y, we're going to be doing the Y axis, we need to have it actually decrease to change that velocity so it goes up. So if we look here for the balloon, the velocity is actually at 8, so it's going to be moving down. What we need to do is actually subtract from that so that it slows down, and then eventually it'll go back up. So we just need to kind of tinker with the numbers a little there, and we'll go ahead and add this in. And then we're going to do a little math, and we need to subtract from it. And we'll drag that velocity back out here as well. And again, just make sure you spell that correctly. And then we just got to tinker with this a little bit. So maybe we do 0.1. Let's kind of see what point. Oh, and put the 0 in front of that. Likes to. All right, so we do 0.1. Let's see what that looks like. And we get to the ground there, so that's a little bit too far. If we look at the example, we don't quite get to the ground. So let's try 0.2. And that doesn't go far enough down. So it's just a little bit of, trial and error here. So let's do 0.15. There we go, that's pretty good. I think that gets pretty close to what the idea with this is. Yeah. All right, so there you go. So this is the code that you need. You just gotta, change the balloon's velocity. You gotta use the subtract 0.15 from that. All right, hopefully that helps you, and good luck.